Question 122. Your company is moving from an on-premises environment to Google Cloud. You have multiple development teams that use Cassandra environments as backend databases. They all need a development environment that is isolated from other Cassandra instances. You want to move to Google Cloud quickly and with minimal support effort. What should you do? A.1. Build an instruction guide to install Cassandra on Google Cloud. 2. Make the instruction guide accessible to your developers. B.1. Advise your developers to go to Cloud Marketplace. 2. Ask the developers to launch a Cassandra image for their development work. C.1. Build a Cassandra Compute Engine instance and take a snapshot of it. 2. Use the snapshot to create instances for your developers. D.1. Build a Cassandra Compute Engine instance and take a snapshot of it. 2. Upload the snapshot to cloud storage and make it accessible to your developers. 3. Build instructions to create a Compute Engine instance from the snapshot so that developers can do it themselves.
Now take 10 seconds to think about the answer.
Correct answer is B. Question